Hey, welcome back to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, and this is Rachel, and this is the place, the channel you come to discover some tips and tricks and some camping reviews to make your camping adventures more fun. So today we're going to talk about marriage and camping and what all goes into that and our roles. And so,
And by the way, I'm sorry for what I said when we were backing up the camper.
That's probably me saying that, not you.
That is like the line, because if you've gone camping, you know that it can be stressful on a relationship. Trying to back into a campsite, especially after dark, can be stressful.
Why don't you tell me where we're going? Which way should I turn?
I said I was pointing this way. You didn't see me.
Yeah. It's a learning curve. Helping each other back up.
Yes.
I just get out and look, because it's better if I just look myself sometimes. We need to work out a system for fingers.
We're still working on it. We're still working on it. So basically, you kind of need to know, and you'll just figure it out as you go, but what are your roles? We've just kind of worked into a system.
My role, I know my role. My role is
dear.
Drive and agree with her. Yes, dear. Yeah. Yes. You want to go to Yellowstone? Yes. You want to go? Okay. You want to go camping again? Okay. No. Yeah. So I'm the driver and the executor and
heavy lifting.
Heavy lifting. I help pack away some stuff, but load up the truck, load up the camper, unload. I do a lot of unloading and tear down. I'll reset it up. So
yes, you're amazing, by the way.
I'll execute all the extra stuff.
I do help a lot, but especially like this last time I had to work, but he was home, so he set it up in the driveway to make sure it was aired out, dried out, pulled, whatever we left, clean it out.
Reset.
You're rock.
Hit the reset button. Whoop.
Yep. So yeah, a lot of my roles, just my own tendency is I'm good at overthinking things. So packing and planning, learning all the hacks and mods, planning that stuff out is my forte. I like that. I like looking for the right campsite. I like, watching YouTube videos to try and find what's the best place to go to, and when should we go, and how many nights should we stay,
and what things should we do while we're there.
Yeah.
What's the best activity? Where's the best spot to go out to eat or something? Yeah.
Yeah, so that's just kind of my thing. We really share the kid roles a lot as far as like discipline. We really take turns a lot. I feel like we do a pretty good job with that.
Takes a village.
It does take a village. However, the other campers in the campground are not your village. They don't really want to hear your kids screaming and running amok. See our Camping with Children video if you need any tips and tricks in that department.
Definitely check that one out.
So I do more packing and planning. He does more of the heavy lifting and driving, although I have driven before, just not that much.
Yeah.
And I promise I will drive
an hour or two.
The next time, a little bit, if I have to.
Promise?
Yes. Yes, I do.
It's on video.
It's on video. So just know what your roles are and be quick to share the burden. And if you see someone stressing out about something, try to figure out how you can help. Or if they're just having a hard time, maybe you can take the kids for a little nature walk or whatever. Just, be flexible with that and make sure you share the burden. We have a quote from a friend of ours that was told on their first camping experience. Yeah, you know who's not going to have fun camping? You. And we thought it was hilarious because, camping is a lot of work. It can be a lot of work, but the more you do ahead of time, the more you share the burden, the more fun it can be, and it's not too much work, I promise. So as far as marriage and camping, here's the thing. People think they're going to go out to the woods like it's a marriage retreat and they're going to solve all the problems.
Preach it.
That can be therapeutic, but keep in mind that whatever is already in your marriage is just going to come out while you're camping. Going to a new location is not going to change your relationship in that way. If you had poor communication, you might continue to have poor communication. Maybe you could work on it while you're camping, because it will bring out extra things when you're in a new location. You're having new experiences. You're trying new ways of doing things. So whatever was in your relationship at home is coming with you camping.
And it's going to come out.
And it might come out. So just be forewarned. Think about that. If you need to work on your marriage, honestly, you can look us up on Facebook, you can look us up on Instagram, and you can message us, and we can help give you resources if you really do need to work on your marriage. We are not counselors, but we know plenty of people, and we know the Lord, and He is the fixer of all messes.
We've got some good tools and
We do.
stuff at our disposal. So listen and die. That's my 2 tips for all men. Listen, and then climb up on that cross and die.
Die to yourself.
Yeah, die to yourself.
Women have to do it too. So, camping, marriage. If you have questions about camping, marriage, and intimacy, this is not the channel for you. This is a family channel. However, I have seen a video that I will drop in the description from Gander Flight. There was actually a really good video, and so if that is your question, I'm not answering it here.
This is a family-friendly program.
This is a family-friendly program. You can go click the link. Thank you for watching Adventures in Pop-Ups.
Thanks so much.
Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give us a like, a subscribe, drop us a comment, let us know.
Share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends. Let us know what you're thinking, what your experiences are. If you want to try out our top 5 video, we have lots of tips and tricks and things for you. We are really excited to continue to share our camping lives with you and to really build a community online. It really is an honor and a privilege. We appreciate every comment, everything.
Every like.
Every like.
Every
you
share.
guys, you're awesome. And happy camping.
Yep.